Welcome, this is a presentation about output devices, prepared by David Muth. Through this video, I will introduce to you 4 Asus monitors. The first monitor is Asus VE276Q 27-inch widescreen LCD monitor. It has DisplayPort input. This new type of connection is used on the latest generation of ATI video cards to enable support for several monitors per card, 3 on most models, up to 6 on the top-end Affinity Edition. Some NVIDIA cards also offer DisplayPort connectors, like the Quattro NVS series. If you want multiple large monitors to hook up to your new computer, this may be the way to go. Let's look at some specification about the display of this monitor. This monitor has a LCD screen type with a size of 27 inches. It has a widescreen 16:9 aspect ratio. Its native resolution is 1920x1080. And the contrast ratio is 100,000 to 1. The response time is 2 milliseconds. The pixel pitch of the monitor is 0.311 millimeters, 0.0 inches. And it has the max brightness of 300 ct/m². This screen has support VGA, DVI, HDMI, DisplayPort, HDCP compliant, but no component. It also has built-in speakers. The second monitor is Asus VK278Q 27-inch LED backlight LCD monitor. The Asus VK278Q have a DisplayPort input, which functions almost the same as the previous one, except this screen also includes a built-in webcam at the top of the screen, ideal for video conferencing. LED backlighting is also used to reduce power consumption. Here is the specification of its display properties. This monitor has a LCD screen type with a size of 27 inches. It has a widescreen 16:9 aspect ratio. Its native resolution is 1920x1080. The response time is 2 milliseconds. The pixel pitch of the monitor is 0.311 millimeters, 0.0 inches. And it has the max brightness of 300 ct/m². This screen has support VGA, DVI, HDMI, DisplayPort, HDCP compliant. It has built-in speakers, and webcam. For the third monitor, we have Asus PA246Q 24.1-inch IPS LCD with 98% Adobe RGB. The Asus PA246Q is a professional-grade monitor built for users who need precise color accuracy. It uses an IPS-type panel which provides excellent viewing angles and covers 98% of the Adobe RGB color gamut. In addition, it has all 4 of the common monitor connection types from the past few years, including DisplayPort, and has a USB card reader or pass-through for easy access to your peripherals. This model's special feature is, as you can see, its rotate-able screen. Let's look into its specification. Asus PA246Q has a 24.1 inches LCD screen with the aspect ratio is widescreen, 16:10. Its native resolution is 1920x1200. Contrast ratio is 50,000 to 1. It has a response time of 6 milliseconds and 0.270 millimeters, 0.0 inches, pixel pitch. And the max brightness is 400 ct/m². This screen has support VGA, DVI, HDMI, DisplayPort, and HDCP compliant. Last but not least is Asus VG236H 23-inch LCD monitor with NVIDIA 3D Vision glasses. When combined with a mid-range or higher NVIDIA graphics card, this 23 inches Asus monitor and NVIDIA 3D Vision glasses will give you the ability to play games and watch movies in 3D. Note that 3D Blu-ray playback will require additional software. Display properties specification. This screen is a widescreen, 16:9, 23 inches LCD with a native resolution of 1920x1080. Contrast ratio of 100,000 to 1 and 2 milliseconds response time. Its pixel pitch is 0.265 millimeters, 0.0 inches. And the max brightness is 400 ct/m². Asus VG236H connectivity has DVI, HDMI, HDCP compliant component, but but no built-in speakers, built-in webcam, VGA and display port. Allow me to conclude with the price of each monitor. Please visit Puget Systems at www.pugetsystems.com.